everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you've probably wondered how certain YouTube videos explode overnight, while others barely get noticed. Well, I'm here to tell you that making a viral video isn't a secret, it's a process. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps that can help you maximize your chances of creating viral content on YouTube. These are the strategies that have worked for countless successful creators, and I'm sharing them with you. So let's dive in and start making your viral video. 1. Start with a strong concept. Everything starts with a strong concept. Without a clear idea or message, your video won't resonate with viewers, no matter how well it's produced. A viral video begins with a great idea, something that stands out, captures attention, and connects with your audience. To find a great concept, start by looking at trends. Google Trends, YouTube trending, and even social media platforms like TikTok are great places to spot what's getting attention. For example, if there's a trending challenge or a viral meme, you can create your own version. But don't just copy, add your unique spin to it. Think about how you can put your personal touch on something that's already popular. However, it's not all about trends. Timeless content, like tutorials, how-to videos, or problem-solving videos can also go viral. Think of videos that answer common questions or provide value in a way that no one else does. For example, if you can provide a unique solution to a common issue, that kind of content is likely to be shared and passed around. Your concept needs to be shareable. Think about what people would want to send to their friends. Is it funny? Is it surprising? Is it thought-provoking? The more you tap into emotions, the more likely people are to share it. Videos that make people laugh, feel inspired, or even challenge their thinking have a higher chance of being shared. And that's one step closer to virality. 2. Create clickable thumbnails and titles. Now that you have a killer concept, it's time to make sure people actually click on your video. And that starts with your thumbnail and title. These two elements are critical in grabbing attention and convincing someone to watch your video. Your thumbnail should be bright, high contrast, and visually engaging. It needs to stand out even in a crowded feed. The best thumbnails have clear, expressive faces. People are naturally drawn to human faces. Make sure you use large, readable text with a bold font that pops off the screen. Try to avoid clutter in your thumbnails. Keep the design simple but effective. A thumbnail that's too busy or hard to read won't draw people in. Close-up shots of your face showing a strong emotion work great. For example, if you're reacting to something shocking, showing your surprise or excitement can entice people to click. As for your title, make sure it's clear, intriguing, and descriptive. Your title should set expectations for the viewer. Use words that create curiosity, like "you won't believe," "the truth about," or "here's what happened when." But always be careful not to mislead. Clickbait can hurt your credibility, and YouTube will catch on to that. For example, instead of just "how to make pizza," you could say "I tried making pizza with an oven. Here's what happened." Titles like these generate intrigue and make viewers want to click to find out more. 3. Make it shareable. Now let's talk about shareability. This is one of the most important factors in whether a video will go viral. People don't just watch viral videos. They share them with their friends, family, and followers. So what makes a video shareable? Emotion. Videos that make people feel something, whether it's humor, awe, shock, or even anger, are more likely to be shared. Humor, in particular, is one of the most powerful drivers of viral content. If your video can make someone laugh out loud, they'll want to send it to their friends. Think about the videos you've shared. Maybe it was a funny cat video or a touching story of kindness. People share content that's either entertaining or meaningful. So, make sure your video fits one of those categories. Another great way to make your video shareable is by addressing universal experiences. When your content is relatable, it connects with a wider audience. For example, a funny expectation versus reality video is something almost everyone can relate to, which is why those kinds of videos often go viral. 4. Keep it short, engaging, and high quality. People have short attention spans, so if you want your video to go viral, it needs to be engaging from the very start and hold attention throughout. Start your video with a hook in the first 5 to 10 seconds. This is your chance to immediately grab attention. If you're making a tutorial, show the end result first. If it's a funny video, start with a hilarious moment. Get people curious about what's coming next. Then keep the pacing quick. Trim unnecessary filler and get straight to the point. Videos that drag on too long can lose viewers. If your video is 10 minutes, but the information or entertainment could be delivered in 5 minutes, cut it down. Lastly, make sure your video is high quality. While you don't need top-tier production value, ensure your lighting, audio, and visuals are clear. Bad audio or dark, grainy footage will drive people away. 5. Optimize for YouTube's algorithm. Optimizing your video for YouTube's algorithm is crucial if you want it to be recommended to more viewers. This means using the right keywords and ensuring your video is easy to find. Start by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. YouTube uses these to understand what your video is about and match it to people's searches. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find the best keywords for your content. Make sure your description is detailed but natural, explaining what your video is about without keyword stuffing. A good description will help both viewers and YouTube understand the video's context. Also, encourage engagement. The more people like, comment, and share your video, the more likely YouTube will recommend it. So, ask your viewers to like and comment throughout the video. You can also include a call to action at the end, asking them to share the video. 6. Promote your video. Don't just sit back and wait for the views to roll in. Promote your video on as many platforms as possible to get initial traction. Share your video across all your social media channels, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, etc. The more people who see your video early on, the more likely it is to get noticed by others. Also, collaborating with other creators can help you expand your reach. If you can get featured on a larger channel or work with a creator who shares your niche, their audience will check out your video. This kind of cross-promotion can give your video a huge visibility boost. 7. Engage with your audience. Engagement doesn't end with your video. You need to actively engage with your audience to boost your chances of virality. Respond to comments early, especially in the first few hours after publishing. The more engagement your video gets, the more YouTube will promote it. But it's not just about responding to comments. Ask your viewers questions, encourage them to share their opinions, and keep the conversation going. Getting your audience to interact with your content is key. You can do this by asking open-ended questions, running polls, or encouraging viewers to comment with their own experiences. 8. Experiment and iterate. One of the biggest secrets to success on YouTube is to experiment and see what works. Don't be afraid to try new things and adjust your approach based on feedback and performance. Test different video formats. Some audiences love vlogs, others prefer tutorials. Some might enjoy reaction videos or challenge content. By experimenting with different styles, you can figure out what resonates best with your viewers. Use your analytics to see what's working. Look at watch time, audience retention, and CTR, click-through rate. If people are clicking but dropping off early, maybe your intro is too long or your content isn't engaging enough. 9. Use data and feedback to improve. Use data and viewer feedback to refine and improve your content continuously. Look closely at your analytics. If your CTR is low, try tweaking your title or thumbnail. If your audience retention drops off at a specific point, maybe that part of your video isn't as engaging as it should be. 10. Virality is unpredictable. Keep trying. Finally, remember that virality is unpredictable. Not every video will go viral, no matter how much effort you put into it. But don't get discouraged. The key to success is consistency. Keep posting and keep improving. Learn from every video, every comment, and every view. Eventually, if you stay committed and keep experimenting, you'll find the sweet spot that works for your audience. And when it happens, you'll be ready. Thanks for watching this full guide on how to make a viral YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.